हरिओम। नारायण साईं जी के वकील संजीव पुनालेकर जी ने जोधपुर हाईकोर्ट में पूज्य बापूजी के आयुर्वेदिक उपचार की अर्जी लगाई थी। इस पर सुनवाई करते हुए जोधपुर हाईकोर्ट ने 7 जुलाई 2021 को डॉक्टर राघवन को पूज्य बापूजी के इलाज की इजाज़त दे दी थी। फिर 15 जुलाई 2021 को डॉक्टर राघवन पूज्य बापूजी की जांच हेतु जेल में गए। उनकी बातों का सार ये है कि पूज्य बापूजी अपनी प्राण शक्ति के आधार पर अभी तक जीवित हैं और उनको उचित आयुर्वेदिक उपचार ना देने पर कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है। आइए सुनते हैं यही सब स्वयं डॉक्टर राघवन की जुबानी।
Babuji is sitting on a bed. Anything can happen at any time.
He is living because of his Anda Prana Shakti, not because of the physical strength. I examined him in 2013 and that condition is so much deteriorated. Spines are completely deteriorated or disintegrated, I can say. So the spinal nerves are also not functioning properly. So he can develop any disease at any time, and that may lead to prananasham. So I gave some medicines. Unfortunately, those medicines were not given. If that was given, his condition would be much better. Unfortunately, he could not take that medicines. The sadhak may be knowing that how it was thwarted, how it was made impossible to give the medicines. So this deterioration is triggered by that non-giving of the medicine. He is aswastha. Swastham is not there. But with Anda Prana Shakti, he is expressing life expressions in a pleasant way. He smiles, he is happy, santushta always, he is very mobile. All these things are possible. So that will mislead a modern doctor. One thing only because of the Anda Prana Shakti. I am really disappointed. When I gave his medicines after the post-COVID condition, and it was not administered properly. It was given few days that showed marked response. Even the AIMS doctors wondered how it happened. Unfortunately, some disgruntled elements, they interpreted that it is because of steroid in it. In my certificate, I clearly stated that steroids are harmful for him. And they cooked up a report that my medicine is containing steroid. Absolutely untrue, and diabolic intention is there. Babuji should not be alive. That is their intent. That is the most important hurdle in rescuing from danger. It was tested, some sadhaka, sent to another reputed, recognized laboratory. It clearly gave it doesn't contain any steroid, any noxious substance, nothing. Completely free. And it was stopped at the time. It was not given. And those people are guiding him. Their intention is to destroy him. They have no real love or respect or consideration for Babuji. Unless these elements are completely removed, the life of Babuji will be in danger. They're continuously like vultures. They are not human beings. And these people are behind him. And they pose themselves as sadhak. And they are completely misusing his magnanimity, his spiritual, his karunya, mercy. It's an ocean of mercy. He'll never think about harming anybody. And that is being misused or misutilized for his own deterioration of health. That is very, very, very rare condition. I have not seen. I am always working with saints and sannyasins. But this is the first time the internal force or people around, first round people are working against him. Even Dhanvantari cannot save him if that condition is preserved. So the sadhaks should continuously observe and monitor, and they must acquire nirbhayatva. Now everybody is in a state of fear. That fear will be harmful for them and his guru also. So they must come out from that fear and they must be acquiring Shakti to protect Guruji. Unless that force develops, nothing can be done.